Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. Please do like, share and subscribe for more updates. So today we are going to learn about what is a computer and its detail. So, computer is an electronic device which stores and retrieves the data. So the father of computer is Charles Babbage. So in computer, there are input devices and output devices. So input devices, it takes the data from the input devices, it stores and processes and gives the output on the monitor. Whatever we are giving through the keyboard, and we are getting the output on the monitor. So the internal process is completely happening because of the CPU. So let's go for the important examples for the input devices: keyboard, mouse, light pen and scanner. There are many others, I'm just giving a few examples. And output devices: monitor, printer, graphics, speakers, sound card and headphones. These are the examples of output devices. And also there is a language for the computer called as binary language, and this binary means 0 and 1. Yes, so this is the very basic part of the computer, and let's go to the abbreviations of the computer. So let's now discuss about the full form of the computer. The full form of computer is commonly operating machine, which is purposely used for technologies and educational research. And we all know that CPU is the central processing unit, which is like heart, okay? So RAM, which means random access memory. So CPU, which is again divided into two, that means arithmetic logical unit and memory unit. So complete process which is happening in the system or PC or computer, it's all because of this CPU, because whatever the data we are giving through the input, we are getting on the output through the monitor. The internal calculations or the logical functions all completely together are happening in this CPU. Next, memory unit. So in this memory, hard disk drive HDD, which is a secondary memory, and RAM, random access memory. These are memory units in the computer. For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Random access memory is the primary memory unit and HDD is the secondary memory unit.